Well, hello, wonderful students. So I wanted to give you this video as you come to this assignment on a Wednesday. I do have a help lab. Notice that you're being asked to think about some of the bigger ideas in this lesson. I did post the answer key so you could see what they're hoping that you kind of start to piece together. Try it and then check the answer key if you get stuck. Use the solutions to help you think, not to just kind of type, copy, paste, and turn this in. So I gave them there so you know, like, I got this. I know I can find the answers. Having the answers is really important. I think I wish, anyway. So example questions on her survey, that's pretty open-ended. They have one, but you could come up with others. Simple random sample, that big idea. So the big idea is that each whatever in your sample has a equal opportunity of getting picked. That's important. It's really, really important that they all have equal chance of getting picked, and then boop, 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 it's random. Whatever's picked is picked, and that helps reduce bias. Okay. The concept of 80 surveys but receives 32. What is the sample? What is the population? Try it. What do you think? And then check the answer key and think, what? Does that make sense? Did you get that? That's great. And then D is the computation about how you can take a sample, again, a statistic, to make an inference about the parameter for the whole population. Okay. It's fairly quick, you guys. So what is an advantage of using observation? So this is a really good discussion. This is now getting a little bit away from the mathematics and starts to think about what's happening in real world. So if you know I'm watching you, the changes, right? So this is the, what is it called? It's called the something, and I think it's in your course. I'm so sorry, guys. Observational bias. Oh boy. Well, hopefully if you guys find it in your course, please list it there and feel free to search it. But say you're in class or you're in study hall and I'm watching to see how often you use social media. Maybe you use it more, but because you know I'm watching you, right? Think about that. Does that change? Would it change? Is that a benefit? Is it an advantage? What is it? Like, what if you lied on the survey and observational data, I could actually see it? So, this is exactly what happened. There's just things to think about that that play into the outcome of our data and then how we use it to make those inferences, those conclusions, those estimates on the whole population. Yeah. All right. So then the part D is going to be, what's the sample? What's the population? And then part D is like that calculation about how you have a sample. If 3 out of 10, couldn't you say that 3 out of 10 students use social media while doing schoolwork? Thanks for watching Help Lab. Good work. Try your best. Please upload it. Just print it, type it, upload it to the best of your ability. Again, the answer key is there. Do not just copy paste. Type it out. Think about look at the point value, look at the description. It's all there so you can kind of see the big ideas that math class is hoping you practice and then leave the classroom with for the rest of your lives.